DJI FPV tutorial, Replacing Parts. In this video, you will learn how to replace several DJI FPV aircraft parts, including the top shell, gimbal, arm bracers, front landing gear, and propeller guard. Before getting started, make sure you have a hex key and the replacement parts required. Remove the gimbal protector and the 4 long screws around the gimbal before detaching the gimbal outer frame. Remove the 4 screws on both sides of the top shell. Detach the top shell. Put a new top shell on the drone. When installing the top shell, align the front part first and then the rear part. Make sure the shell is securely snapped into place. Tighten the screws on both sides of the top shell. Fix the gimbal outer frame by fastening the 4 screws. The replacement of the top shell is now complete. Remove the 4 short screws around the gimbal and the silver camera cable screws. Gently lift the small mantle plate. Remove the camera cable connector and detach the gimbal camera. Gently lift the small metal plate. Remove the camera cable connector and detach the gimbal camera. And tighten the 2 silver screws. Tighten the 4 screws to fix the gimbal camera. Install the top shell and gimbal outer frame. The replacement of the gimbal camera is now complete. Remove the 2 bottom screws and detach the front landing gear. Remove the antenna connector and 2 cable connectors. Then replace the LED panel. Fix the antenna connector and cable connectors. Put on the new front landing gear and tighten the screws. The replacement of the front landing gear and LED panel is now finished. Insert the arm bracer from the bottom of the left aircraft arms and ensure it is fully connected. Mount the buckle on the rear left motor and align with the screw hole. Fasten the screw, and the installation of the arm bracer is finished. Take out the left bases of the propeller guard and connect the ones marked LF and LB. Put the aircraft arm on the corresponding bases, then push down to fix them in place. Lock the buckles, and the installation of the left propeller guard is finished. Thank you for watching.